Hi everyone. I'm going to talk about process analytical technology and its applications in biologics manufacturing industry. So as all you know, the PAT is a key element of the pharmaceutical good manufacturing practices for the 21st century, which is a risk based approach. So FDA has introduced a process analytical technology as a tool in 2004, a framework for innovative pharmaceutical development, manufacturing and quality. So it is working on based on two components, a set of scientific principles and tools that supports innovation, and another is a strategy which to adopt the innovation. So I am going to cover about the real time process analytical technology tool based on a multi-angle light scattering, which is connected to a preparative scale chromatography. So in my presentation in Bioanalytica workshop, I will talk about applications that couple to a purification system, which is ACTA, to a real time monitoring tool by multi-angle light scattering. So the multi-angle light scattering in real time MALS gives offline, inline as well as online measurement of molecular size, a concentration of analyte, which can be monitored during the process. So while using this real time MALS, we can get incremental understanding of the process and higher yield in less time, real time monitoring of critical quality attributes, which is of molecular size and aggregation and concentration of the analyte. So it reduces the sampling volumes and it helps to get immediate feedback on the process. So in glycoconjugate vaccine manufacturing, the polysaccharide is conjugated with a carrier protein. So the carrier protein and polysaccharide sizes will be less than hundreds of kilodalton. So while the reaction is happening, we can monitor the reaction kinetics, and post the reaction we can apply for a purification to separate the unconjugated carrier protein and polysaccharide. So the controlling the unconjugated polysaccharide is one of the critical quality attribute. So the removal and reduction of unconjugated polysaccharide is being monitored by multi-angle light scattering, which is connected to the ACTA chromatography. So to monitor this, we have set up a PAT application using real time MALS, and this is being recently applied to ion exchange chromatography to purify a monoclonal antibody while monitoring the charge variants. Similarly, the same has been applied to monitor the aggregation pattern of monoclonal antibody in the biopharmaceutical industry. So I will be discussing some of these recent developments in the PAT technology using MALS for biopharmaceutical as well as vaccines.